Nanubabo Kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. Ngayong araw na to guys, ang mga products natin. And I'm talking about Salbahe Chili products. Ang mga products na to ay available through orders kay Miss Ems Pascual. Siya po ang sole distributor dito sa Pampanga. And yeah, we're gonna talk about them today on our vlog. So let's go. Okay, so the first product we're going to, introduce you guys is yung Chili Bagoong-Alamang. The ingredients are shrimp paste, garlic, oil, sugar, salt, vinegar, and all natural sili. Ang malupit na bagoong alamang na tanyag sa Pangasinan, mas pinatindi pa ang sarap ng istilong salbahe. Oh man, be careful about this. And then the next product that we want to introduce to you guys, Salbahe Chili and Crunchy Garlic. Chili and crunchy garlic. Okay, so ingredients are all natural garlic and of course, chili. Ang bawang na hinugot sa pagkakabaon, ipinagtagpo sa siling nag-aalab sa anghang. Dulot ay tukso sa hapag-kainan. Ang lalim ng hugot ng mga produktong to. At yeah, mga salbahe. Ngayong araw na to, salbahe muna tayo. Mga products na feature natin. Salbahe yan. Okay, the next product we're gonna introduce to you guys is of course yung pinakasikat nila, which is the Salbahe Chili Oil. Ingredients of course, chili, garlic, and palm oil. Let me read the hugot information niya. Gawa sa Sili na pinitas mula sa halamang dinidilig ng pagibig. Napakalalim. Bagamat salbahe, may pagibig. Miss Ems was kind enough to also give us yung mga siomai na available din sa kanila through orders. Dahil titikman natin. So nilagyan ko na ng chili oil, binudburan ko ng crunchy garlic. Ngayon kung tayo ay napasuko ng salbahe, ay talagang maanghanga ang kanilang mga produkto. So tikman na natin. Yung chili oil, I think I'm still gonna add more. Actually, masarap din to guys kapag yun nilalagay mo sa kanin. Hopefully you can see it on top of our siomai. That was so satisfying. Medyo umakyat pa yung anghang sa ilong ko at talagang medyo napaiyak ako doon. Pero grabe, you can enjoy this product even better if you really include it in a meal like for example, a soup, or kung sa umaga naman, you can add itong crunchy garlic sa sinangag. And then itong bagoong, probably kapag makain kayo ng mangga or yung mga ulam na nangangailangan ng bagoong, you can actually enjoy these even better. Although as simple as siomai, na-enjoy mo na yung anghang, yung amoy ng bawang. As simple as siomai, it can become, extra special with these Salbahe products. So yeah, if you're interested guys, here are the labels. As a matter of fact, na-endorsed na po ito ng mga iba-ibang artista. Yan, we're gonna be flashing on your screens. If you're interested to buy, you can directly message Miss Ems Pascual. She's the sole distributor po dito sa Pampanga. And yeah, enjoy these products. Enjoy more quality times with your family. When you're enjoying a great food time, right? So, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, guys. And stay safe. Until our next video.